Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Toyota Yaris light. First, gather your essential tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and the correct replacement bulb. Always wear protective gloves to avoid touching the new bulb directly. Make sure your Yaris is completely turned off and the engine has cooled down. This ensures your safety and prevents any electrical issues during the process. Now, let's access the bulb. Open the hood of your Toyota Yaris and identify the light assembly you're working on. You might need to remove a few plastic clips or screws that secure the headlight or taillight unit. Carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the bulb housing. This usually involves pressing a small tab and pulling the connector straight off. With the old bulb accessible, it's time for replacement. Twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to release it from the housing. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out. Remember, avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb firmly into the socket, making sure it's properly aligned. Now, let's put everything back together. Reinsert the bulb socket into the light assembly and twist it clockwise until it locks securely. Reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it clicks into place for a solid connection. Before closing the hood, turn on your Yaris and test the new light to confirm it's working properly. Congratulations, you've successfully changed your light.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.